Hello everyone, this is Janelle Moore, the Graduate Assistant for the NSU Institutional Review Board, and the title of this presentation is Ethical Informed Consent for Human Subjects Research. The agenda for this presentation is what is informed consent, the informed consent process, planning and writing the form, resources, and a summary. An introduction to informed consent. So, what is informed consent? Informed consent is an agreement or permission to do something from someone who has been given full information about the possible effects or results. The informed consent process. This process involves 5 steps. Step 1, the city training. Take and complete the NSU IRB required courses, which are the conflicts of interest and the social and behavioral research. Step 2, study design. Design your study in detail, include all human subjects, activities, time commitment, and possible risks they may experience in the study. Step 3, consent forms. Write the form using the research procedures developed in the study design. Step 4, IRB application and study approval. Apply to the NSU IRB and include a copy of the informed consent form. The IRB will review the application and approve or require revisions. And step 5, recruit human subjects. Human subjects can be recruited and the informed consent form can be shared and agreement established. The informed consent form, planning and writing or reviewing. Planning, writing and reviewing. Under planning, the first thing you're going to do is plan the study design. Then you're going to write it up in details and review the NSU IRB guidelines for informed consent, child assent, and debriefing forms document. And write an outline for the consent form. And to get into the process of writing, write a draft of the form using the study design, the outline, and the guidelines document as guides. And then check the form for its accuracy in describing the study and meeting the guidelines requirements, including readability. The informed consent process and its resources. Resource number 1 is department or college. Resource number 2 is NSU IRB. And resource number 3 is NSU and others. Under department and college is faculty advisor, which is for the research project. And then you have research courses, which includes textbooks or supplemental materials. And department research faculty. Under NSU IRB, you can find the NSU IRB webpage at nsula.edu/IRB, which includes mentor instructional materials, files and videos, the researcher handbook, guidelines for informed consent, and videos on readability. And as it relates to the NSU and others, you may find the NSU Academic Success Center, who provides tutoring services to assist in writing an informed consent form that follows the NSU IRB informed consent guidelines. And the CITI program. And then the Office of Human Research Protections, and that is the federal office that oversees all IRBs. And then you can find resources on various other websites. In summary, informed consent is a process. The purpose is to help the person understand what they are getting into if they agree to participate in a study. And this purpose takes into account the needs, rights, and safety of the human subject. That is ethics. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this brief presentation. If you have any questions, please contact the NSU IRB office via phone or our email, or you may visit the NSU IRB webpage at nsula.edu/IRB.